Welcome. We are so excited to have you here. Today is your first day, and we want to make it amazing. Let's take a quick look around. This is where the magic happens, your new workplace. Every great company has a purpose. Ours is simple. We exist to make a real difference, every single day. We live by our values: integrity, teamwork, and innovation. These aren't just words. They guide everything we do. One of the best parts of starting here, the people. Everyone here is ready to welcome you with open arms. This is your desk, your own little corner of the office. Get comfortable and make it feel like home. We use a few key tools to stay connected as a team. Don't worry, you'll pick them up in no time. Oh, and the perks. Think flexible hours, wellness programs, team events, and more. Yes, it's really that good. Have questions? Concerns? Our door is always open. HR is here to support you every step of the way. We are so glad you're here. This is just the beginning of something amazing. Welcome to the family.